In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Intuit QuickBooks 2026. First, open your browser and sign in to QuickBooks online. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct company file so the payment posts to the right books. This avoids confusion later when you reconcile your bank. Once you're in, look for the Create button near the top. This might appear as the plus or New button depending on your layout. Click it. Then choose Pay Bills. This opens the bill payment screen where you'll do all the work in one place. Start by choosing the vendor you want to pay. Use the vendor filter or the search bar to narrow the list so you're only seeing that supplier's open bills. It's a good moment to confirm you're looking at the right vendor profile, especially if you have similar names in your list. Now select the specific bill or bills you want to pay. Check the box next to each bill you're paying today. If you're making a partial payment, edit the payment amount in the column provided and keep an eye on the total at the bottom so it matches what you intend to send. If the vendor has available credits or early payment discounts, QuickBooks may show them here. Review how those affect the final amount before continuing. Choose your payment method. Depending on your setup, you might see options like bank transfer, check or card. If you plan to print a physical check, choose check here, so QuickBooks can create a printable check later. If you're paying electronically, select the appropriate bank transfer option. Keep in mind that card payments may include fees and bank transfers may take a day or two to clear. Next, select the payment account. This is the bank or credit card account the money will come from. Double check this field so the transaction posts to the right register and reflects correctly in cash flow reports. Enter the payment date. You can pay today or schedule a future date. Make sure the date aligns with the vendor's due date and your available cash balance, especially if you're batching multiple payments. When everything looks correct, decide how you want to finalize it. Choose Save and Close to record the payment without printing, or select Save and Print if you need a paper check or a remittance document for your files. After saving, the bill will be marked as paid and removed from your open bills list, helping keep your accounts payable clean and up to date. That's it. Your vendor payment is recorded accurately and ready to go.